see what brings me.
We wanted to create a progression, an evolution from the Thunderbird. The Thunderbird and cruising has been part of Royal Enfield's heritage for a long time now. The Meteor is the next generation, really. It's the next step on from that. So brand new engine, brand new chassis. It's a ground-up piece of design, but it's really about capturing the essence of what that long-distance Royal Enfield cruising is all about. That easy cruising.
And girls will come in.
Take 80% of max torque for the UCE, then the new engine has a spread of an extra 1,000 RPM.
If you get going on the bike, when you're riding along, you increase the engine speed, it sort of becomes more of a new Enfield. It's got a new sort of feel to it. There's no vibration, it's smooth, feels much more refined. Low speed character, that the beat of the exhaust notes, you can hear the bike in the traffic. You turn around, you know it's an Enfield.
One of the top points was to add a balancer shaft so that it felt smoother higher up, but also a very big priority to retain as much character, low down the beat, the low idle speed.
In addition to all 350 engine, the high RPM, no vibration, and it's much comfortable to maintain high speed.
Very tractable from city work up out onto the open road, even sustained high-speed cruising.
This is very much aimed at that generation of rider and that type of rider that loves that classic Royal Enfield thump, the inertia, torque that comes from the engines, the character, but wants something a little bit more contemporary.
It's a mother to all.